Okay, so I thought I'd do a bit of a show and tell video. I've been waiting for this for a little while. Sit down, Mum. I just thought I'd share it with everybody as I opened it. It's come all the way from Germany. I've had it on order for a little while, so I can't wait to open it. Packed very well by the Germans. Being careful not to slice anything inside, of course. And here it is. The code to go with. Two boxes. Here we go. So here we are. It is in fact the latest Transalpine by Roco. Oh, very nice. You can see that. Coaches to go with. So this is just the straight DC model. I didn't go for the sound version, so hence I've got to put a decoder in it myself, which is what we have here. Alrighty, so there we go, Transalpine from Roco. And yeah, all for under $600, so very happy.